In 2016, Georgia Outdoors reported on the serious decline in bee populations around the world. A major problem since they pollinate about 80% of the food we eat. Emory University researcher Barry Brosi says our entire food chain is on the line.
If we think about tomatoes and cucumbers and any kind of nuts, all of those are dependent on having a seed be produced to actually make the crop a viable crop. That service of moving the pollen from one flower to another is not something that really anything else can do. So we can put all the fertilizer we want on that crop, and it's not going to move the pollen around magically.
There are 20,000 species of bees living across the world. They are impacted by pesticides, habitat loss, and disease. All these facts make a recent report in the journal Biological Conservation troubling. A 27-year study conducted by scientists from Australia to China has determined that more than 40% of insect species are declining, like the dung beetle, an insect worshipped by ancient Egyptians. This massive decline hurts more than our food supply. Even the bugs that bug us are a food source for wildlife. Birds rely on insects for nutrition, and 80% of wild plants use insects for pollination. But bee declines may be the scariest of all. A class of pesticides called neonicotinoids are part of the problem.
This class of synthetic pesticides is even more damaging because nicotine on its own breaks down in the environment very rapidly. Whereas this class of pesticides, the nicotine has been chemically altered to persist in the environment for a long time. And in fact, there's increasing evidence that these pesticides are accumulating in the environment, in our soil and in our water. So there may be cumulative effects of using these pesticides over time that may not appear for quite some time.
From bees to beetles to butterflies, scientists warn that the massive insect decline could have a catastrophic impact on the environment.